there's a startup mentality at Dotmatics, and you want to keep that. Siemens's overall purpose is about transforming the everyday for everyone. And obviously, we've been in life sciences before, but this is bringing a new layer to that industry. So, what does that mean? How do you see that reflecting in drug discovery or other parts of life sciences?
Yeah, so the mission and vision for Siemens is incredibly consistent. I think there were a few things that in the acquisition process that were like check, right? So we were being acquired by a software company, like a company that understands software and like software people, like check. We're acquired by somebody who has assets in life sciences that are going to be able to allow us to expand our own mission and vision, specifically in our own domain, check, right? For the third one, I think, and for me, it's a very personal connection around, sustainability and, trying to make the world a better place. Our own mission is around accelerating innovation to make the world a cleaner, healthier, safer place to live, right? So that's Dotmatics' specific vision, and it's so in tune with what Siemens has that I think we were like, this is great. This is another check, right? But I think for us, how that manifests in our industry, just broadly, our customers spend their entire careers either trying to make outcomes for human health or food products, or for products that CPG products, outcomes for people to have better lives. That is what our customers do, and our software is here to help them accelerate that process. So I think broadly, generally, I think it's just very much the same thing. We're trying to achieve the same outcome in our products and in our company. But I'll give you a specific example. It's one that we highlight a lot. It's the cassava. Cassava is a huge crop in Africa, but it's under threat from viruses and from climate change. But there's a cassava, I think it's called the Cassava Virus Project, where they specifically use our Geneious Prime product to do the sequencing in the field, literally in the field, to get samples and then analyze the sequences for seeds so they can develop stronger, more resilient plants in the future. So that's like a very, very concrete example of how what our products are doing in the field. It really, I think, aligns to what Siemens is trying to do broadly.
In the literal field, right?
Yes, in the literal field, the actual field. I can send you a picture of people in the actual field.
Yeah,
It's nuts. They had this like little, very, very small sequencing that machine that can actually develop that, and then you need to use our software to interpret that data, and that can be done instantly, right there.
Yeah, that's really cool.